follow me on this journey of behind the scene, on what I do every day, what I pass through every day, the stress I go through to film a video, the threat I pass through to put on something on my channel. Here, I've already arranged my tables, and immediately I want to start filming, and I remember that I have to remove this jacket I am wearing. So I'm still here, adjusting my laptop, looking up because of light. If you can see, this video is not bright. So I'm still thinking of what to do, because it's a rainy day and the weather is not that bright, because before, the weather at least will be bright for me to add up my artificial light, then everything will be okay. So here I've went to look for my lights. And here I went to take my mic. I've not carried my mic. I went to carry my mic so that I can fix it on my laptop. I'm fixing it now. So after I finish fixing the laptop, the mic, as you hear the noise, that noise is to show that the mic has connected to my laptop. So I decided to zip up. This thing is choking me, Jesus. I said, no. Let me just see how it look like. Look at me dancing. No, it's good. In fact, it's fun creating content. It's fun shooting a YouTube video. It's fun, being with camera. So when I'm on the camera, I do have a lot of fun back then. Now this dance I am dancing, ask me who put music for me. No, there's no music. I'm just having fun, you see. So after I've tested the mic, for me to know if my mic is really working. So I've tested it, as you can hear, is really working. So I decided to go back to check if I'm where I'm supposed to be, because sometimes this is my OBS studio that I used to record. I will not know that I've not started recording, and before you know it, after I finish filming, that is when I find out that, oh, my mic is not on. Oh, my maybe I paused the video. Oh, this happened. So you will see me, I will start that content afresh again. So they're here, I'm trying to fix up, I'm trying to see how my face is looking, I'm trying to have my fun, I'm trying to cruise, So I decided to stand up to fix my lights, because the weather is not bright, because it has been a rainy day. And I said, no, let me go and carry my let me go and take my lights. I have a ring light that I use to support with my bulb and the weather and the natural light that God has given unto us. I've on my light now. So the next thing I want to do is to arrange it. It's not about on light. Once you on it, you will still have to keep it in the right position. Look at me adjusting my mic. If I adjust, I will go and look my face. Have fun, baby. If I adjust, I will look my face. So here I decided to fix my mic after I've checked my cloth that I zip up. If I zip it up, I will not be able to fix my mic. So here I decided to stand up and check around me, check around the light, on another light, then take my glasses, because perfect, this is beautiful.
Hi everyone.
So the process of shooting a content is not easy. At the back end, there is a lot of preparation. So look at it. No, the position is not good here. The position I have to keep adjusting, readjusting, removing, and bringing back, shifting forward before I could finally, find a position. I think this is better. I finally find a position. So I will touch my mic. You see, I've tested my mic to know that it's working. And I'm still adjusting my light. So here I stand up to say on another extra light is a solar bulb. So I stood up to on it. You see what I see here, that weather is somehow. So let me just do this video sharp, because number one, my solar did not charge, and I'm using my ring light to plug on the solar. So I have to reserve it in case it is night so I can see light. So here I'm done.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel.
I'm still fixing the lights very well, because the light still, the ring light is not well fixed. So I've done that. So I have to arrange myself and look beautiful. If you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share it and like it. See you in my next video. Bye.